Hi guys, this is my first video of 2018, so I wish you all a happy new year. Anyway, the radio here in front of us is a Cobra 139 XLR. This radio was imported from Colorado around Christmas time. As you full well know, these are only used on the mid-band in America on 40 channels, so it was sent away, it was serviced. We bought a Gerhard Maurer FM board for this radio, so it's got the FM now. It's also got the UK40, the high band and the mid band, so a few modifications. It's also been fully serviced now. It's working a treat actually. And remember guys, this radio was made in 1977. It uses the UPD858 chip, which is in a lot of the other older radios like the President Adams and the realistic TRC 449, and also I think there is a realistic home base it was in. It was in various radios, a lot of radios. This radio was around $450 in 1977, so that was quite a lot of money. But these radios were very well built, I must admit. So guys, let's just go over the mods on this radio. I'll show you how it works. At the moment, that's the low band, so that's channel 12 on mid block on USB. If we flick it up to that's where your bands are. That's your high block, so that's where your 27555 is going to be on that channel there. And then obviously, if we flick it up, the next switch, that's your UK40. So now all we need is to get it onto the FM. So if we flick this knob here over to AM and flick that switch up there, now we're on FM UK40. So there we go, that's been installed. So that obviously that's all your UK40, channel 19, etc. Which is pretty handy really, because these radios are very limited when you do buy them. But for use over in the UK and in Europe, we need the high band on these radios. And obviously, being in the UK, we need the access to the UK40. So it's all been installed professionally, all serviced, cracking bit of kit, guys, and I mean beautiful radio. 9.9% condition-wise. You know, you've got to look very hard to find a mark on it. It's virtually new. Also comes with the original Cobra microphone there. Unfortunately, no box, so or any manual. So I'll be looking out see if I can buy that on the second-hand market somewhere. People do sell empty boxes on eBay, and they do go for silly money sometimes, depending on what radios they are for. But another purchase that's incoming, guys. I've actually bought the base microphone for this radio, again from the USA. The bargain price of $14.99. Now it's new in the box. Apparently the guy's never used it. By the pictures it looks immaculate, so I bought it for $14.99. Now that is a steal. The shipping was through the eBay shipping program. That cost me $14.99 also, and there was no import duty because it was, you know, such a small price. So I'm really happy with that. So I believe it's in the UK now, and it's going to be delivered in the next few days. So we'll be hooking that up on it when it comes, and I'll do a short review of the microphone. But there you are, guys. There's the Cobra 139 XLR, classic radio, made in 1977. They don't make them like these no more, guys. Best 7.3s and speak again.